What's it like working at FTH?
Really ambitious business. You can really feel part of the growth and where the business is going, and everybody very much plays a part in that and what we're trying to do. I think it's fair to say customers seem to really grasp and engage in what we're doing and how we differentiate ourselves as a company. And I think the acquisitions alone, we've got 2 relatively new teams, and the guys and people have joined us there. It's been challenging at part, but it's great to learn new things from them as well, and then from us. So yeah, really exciting from that perspective.
What's it like working at FTH?
I like working at FTH because it gives me great job satisfaction. I enjoy coming to work every day, and it's an industry that I've wanted to work in for a number of years, and FTH has given me the opportunity.
Friendly environment, really. People are lovely, and it's just a really nice place to work at.
What's it like working at FTH?
It's a really good place to work. It's a family-run business. It's got a fun and vibrant culture, and we've got many locations across the UK, and we work together as a team to get the job done. It's a really good place to work.
What's it like working at FTH?
Working at FTH is very busy, fast-paced. We've got a fantastic team inside and outside the accounts team. We also try and support each other and just try and get everything done on a day-to-day basis.
What's it like working at FTH?
So for me, having been here 3.5 years, I love the fact that we are a small family-run business, but we have big aspirations. In the time I've been here, we've over doubled in size. The opportunities to grow for both existing staff, but also new staff coming in to join us, that's limitless. There's also the fact that we have a very flat management structure here, so if there's any decisions that need to be made, they can be made pretty quick. There's no multiple layers of red tape to cut through. Anything is possible if we want it.